everybody. So these are basically like micro braids, and I am going to show you all how to do that. They're micro braids, but I used Kanekalon hair, which people generally don't do that. They use, like, you know, Milky Way or Free Choice, all that other stuff, but I didn't do that. I used Kanekalon hair, and I made the curls by braiding it and then boiling it in hot water. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute, and you can do so many styles with it, and it's really convenient because of course you don't have to, you know, actually do your natural hair for a while, whatever hair you have. You don't have to worry about all that stuff for a minute. So this is super cute, like so adorable, and yeah, just keep watching if you want to know how to do these mini micro braids. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Anyways, keep watching. So basically I'm just going to go ahead and show you all how to do one of these micro braids. So you can either use like a comb, a rat tail comb, or your fingernails if you have long fingernails like me. Basically I'm just parting a small section. You can do whatever section of your choice, but this is the size sections that I chose to do. So I went ahead and parted that, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist my natural hair just enough to have something to grip onto. Now, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and get a piece of the Kanekalon hair. You definitely want to make sure that you choose small pieces and try to be consistent when choosing your pieces. Don't do, like, you know, a very large piece and then a tiny piece, whatever, you know what I mean. Just try to be consistent so that your braids will look consistently the same size. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and begin braiding my hair from the root. Just a close-up view. So just begin braiding. And basically, you're going to braid down until you get to at least, you know, like half of your natural hair or close to the end of your natural hair. If your hair is shorter than mine, then of course you want to, you know, just braid a little bit like, you know, normal natural looking micro braids. But since my hair is a bit longer, I can't really get by with just doing the smaller braids at the root, so I am making the braided section a little longer than I would normally do on someone with shorter hair. So I'm just going to braid and dance, obviously, and yeah. If you do not know how to braid, I do have a video teaching how to install braids on my channel. When you get to the end of your braid, you're just going to go ahead and tie a little knot to seal off the end. Alright, so once you have finished installing your braids, basically you're just going to go ahead and separate your micro braids into about 6 sections, and you're going to braid each section individually into one big braid. So at the end you'll have about 6 big braids. The whole reason for doing this is so that you can boil each braid individually, and when you do that, it's going to leave your hair in this very beautiful wavy texture, which is what you all are going to see in my outcome. Okay, so I boiled some water, and what I'm doing right now is just turning the water off and pouring a little bit of cold water into the pan to just, you know, kind of cool the water down a bit before I pour it in my cup. There are other ways to do this, so I would advise letting someone else do it for you, or, you know, not doing it by yourself. If you have to do it by yourself, then this is one of the easiest ways to do it rather than, you know, putting your head to the pot. So yeah, I know this isn't the best lighting, so I'm gonna show that one more time. I'm just dipping my braids into the boiling water and then using a towel to pull them out and wring them dry. It's pretty simple. Once you have finished boiling your hair and use the towel to dry it, at this point it should be at least 80% dry. And I'm using my Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's strengthen and growth leave-in conditioner, and I'm basically just, you know, applying it throughout the hair, just making it look good and smell good as I take my braids down. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue taking them down and let you all see the final outcome. Okay, so once you are done unbraiding, it should look like this. As y'all can see, I did my makeup and everything. So I am pretty much ready to go. I'm going to take my hair out of this ponytail, and this is what we look like. Let me take my jacket off real quick. Okay. Super cute. Like, I don't know why this is my first time doing this, but I mean, like, it's so cute. Show y'all the back. It's nice and full, super long. By the way, I'm 5'2", so this stops at my butt, like right in the middle of my butt. So just in case y'all wanted to know, I'm 5'2", and that's where it stops on me. So yeah, if you want to cut, of course you can do that, but I'm keeping mine as long as it is, because why not? Why not be extra just because, I mean, well, I can. So yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and bye.